to our latest video. We're going to show you our journey as we go through Bodalla and Batemans Bay and in Depot Beach. We hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.
Yeah, cheers guys.
We're just at Bodalla. Insert words of the correct location here, eh? Some sort of churchy castle looking thing. Right near the cheese factory. Cheesecake factory, hopefully, for Ray.
That's why I pulled over. I thought it was Cheesecake Factory.
We don't know. We haven't gone in there yet.
Is there a thing called a Cheesecake Factory?
Yeah, there are cheesecake factories, but isn't that just that shop?
I thought we'd stopped for a Cheesecake Factory.
Ray really loves cheesecake. And when I said a cheese factory, he kind of just thought, oh my God, yes, cheesecake. Unfortunately,
I don't know how I messed that one up.
they didn't have any cheesecake there.
If I'd known that at the time, there was no way I was pulling over. But I'm glad we did because it turned out it was awesome.
It was so fun. It was
Yeah.
really cool little stop. Like we had no plans to stop there, but we were just driving and
the
it was
food
about
was
time for a
delicious.
break. Yeah.
Food was delicious.
Best toasties. Delish.
Delish. Where are we going, Jack?
Going to see the church at Bodalla. We just ran into a lady and she said it's like a jewel box inside. So it's pretty cool from the outside.
Look at it. Going to see the castle. The castle on the hill. It's like a castle and it's at the end of a hill. Like Ed would say. We're friends with Ed Sheeran, FYI.
Look at that door. So nice.
We didn't get here quick enough. The castle is closed. But I can still show you some of it anyway. I live in the castle. Just pulled over in this place called Bodalla. It's got this cheese factory, so we pulled over and they've got singing, they've got ice cream, they've got a pub over there for me. It's awesome, we love it here.
Little art gallery, ice cream lab. Woo! Come in here.
Sitting down, looking through my back door, wondering which way to go. Boris, see if I can get this right.
Come on. Come on. Oh, it'd be so funny if he spits on me.
This guy was so cute. Such a Stephen.
He reminds me of you.
Hey,
Cute.
I'll take it as a compliment. I don't know why you'd think that.
Cheese just drips from your mouth, and that's what these sandwiches did.
We got like the world's most expensive thick shake as well.
Look at it. Oh God, yum. I'm so hungry.
It does look really
Watching me eat, it's like it's past Ray's filling future Ray's stomach.
Fast. So we've just come out of Mogo. I think this is still part of Mogo State Forest, but you can see all the trees and the new growth coming through from the bushfires that went all through.
So, we just came into town earlier this afternoon and we saw there was a big projector on at one of the pubs. So we rang them, and they told us that we couldn't come in because of COVID. There was too many people already booked in. But we're just going to rock up and hope that someone didn't show and we can get in and watch a movie in our van.
Driving.
Cool. Yeah, driving.
Yeah.
So we're really excited. I mean, there's a good chance it's not going to work, but we're giving it a go.
I'm hopeful. Oh, there it is up there.
This is something that I've kind of taken on as a challenge when a situation comes up and we're told we can't do it or they're sold out.
Booked out, no reservations available.
I've taken it upon myself to personally challenge myself to see if I can weasel my way through.
He's the weasel.
I'm pretty good at it. So we literally called this place and they said there's nothing we can do. We cannot get you in. And I said to Jaci,
sold out.
just gave her the wink and I was like, I just fucked that wink up. I just gave her the wink. I was like, don't worry, I'll get us in. And no shit. Like, I can't believe it worked. Restrictions apply. I told you it was because of COVID. So we just talked our way through and got to go to this drive-in cinema for free. Free popcorn.
Well, we put popcorn everywhere.
We weren't supposed to get in at all, sold out, and now
We're in
getting
here.
for free. And we get free shit. How good is that?
I'm so excited.
And we're watching Aladdin.
Let's get the bed set up.
Right.
Hey, up on the roof, he's put a metal straw as our aerial so we can listen to the movie. Oh, quiet. Right up on the roof, he's put a metal straw as our aerial. That's perfect. Fuzzy.
Oh, so we get there. We didn't even know our van aerial wasn't there because we never listened to the radio. We just listened to like music on our phone and whatnot. And we get there and we're like, we don't have music. So
we're trying to like tune, like we're like, oh, we need to tune it in, and like nothing's happening. And then Ray's like,
we try
oh
and
my
download
god,
the app.
Yeah.
Apps like radio apps to run through the radio, but it has to be local, and we couldn't download like a digital digital radio app. It was all like, we couldn't download an analog radio app. They were all digital and they were presets. So we couldn't get the station we needed. So I was like, fuck, what are we gonna do? And
it was
then
so hectic.
Jackie just pulls out of the drawer. There was like a straw, a fork, like a metal straw, a fork, and something
and
else.
a whisk.
A whisk.
That
and
little
she
whisk.
Goes, can you use any of this? I was like, I really didn't think it was going to work, but I was like, oh, I'll give it a shot. So I climbed up on the roof, just jammed it in there, and she started to hear it, and I was like, oh my God, we're saved. It's going to work.
It was like after everything we did to get in, and then we're like, shit, we have no volume.
But the
and
volume wasn't going to work. I was just going to stay there just so we didn't
And I
look
said
stupid.
we should just look it up on our like laptop and play the volume at the movie at the same time.
Yeah, download the pirated copy.
But it all worked out. The straw
Yeah.
worked a charm. If you're ever in a tight spot,
We
metal
can't
straws.
recommend straws enough.
Metal straws. Save a turtle and save your aerial.
Lemon cutting stars. You can smell every spice while you haggle the price of the silks and the satin shawls. Oh, the music that plays as you move through a maze. What would I have to do?
Pepsi Max, Pepsi Max.
Batemans Bay. This is a little creek. And that's a dolphin.
I have to be 100% honest. I love everywhere we go. I love Australia. But Batemans Bay, maybe we missed out on some stuff. The sand wasn't that yellow or white. It kind of had a little bit of a brown tinge to it. It didn't seem like that overly great of a place. Not that there was anything wrong with it. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think, Jack?
it was nice. Like, I just don't think we explored it till its full potential. There was definitely some nice spots, and yeah, we didn't really look around that much or spend that much time there. We kind of got there and we did the movie, and then we just wanted to chill out. So
I think we only spent one night there, did we?
yeah,
Or two, maybe two.
maybe two, but we kind of took it as a chance to really chill out. Thanks, guys, for watching our video.
Thank you. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to us.
It
Sorry,
does.
I just cut Jackie off. What were you going to say?
Sorry, I was going to say the same thing.
Yeah. No,
It's all
awesome. Yeah. So,
Hope you enjoyed it.
yeah. Cheers.
Thanks, guys. See you next
guys.
time. Love ya.
Stop loving all these strangers.
Love you.
I'm Pickle Rick!
Mode. I like that. What the hell just happened? Mode.
No, thank you.